In this video, you'll learn how to sign in to AOL Mail. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, accessing your AOL Mail is straightforward. I'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you can log in smoothly. First, you'll want to open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. AOL Mail is accessible from any browser, so whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, you're good to go. Once your browser is open, navigate to the AOL website. Simply type in aol.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the AOL homepage, where you can access a variety of AOL services, including your email. Now that you're on the AOL homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Sign In option. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. If you're using a mobile device, you might find this option in a slightly different spot, but it should still be visible near the top of your screen. Once you've clicked the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you have the option to enter either your AOL email address or the phone number associated with your AOL account. Carefully type in the information and then click Next. It's important to double-check your entry to avoid any errors that might prevent you from logging in. If you prefer, or if you have linked your AOL account with other services, you can also sign in using Google or Yahoo. This is a convenient option for those who use multiple email services and have linked their accounts together. Simply select the appropriate option, and you'll be redirected to the respective sign-in page for Google or Yahoo. Enter your credentials there, and you'll be brought back to AOL Mail once you're authenticated. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll have full access to your AOL inbox, where you can read emails, send messages, and manage your account settings. Remember, if you ever encounter issues with signing in, such as forgotten passwords or trouble accessing your account, AOL offers support and account recovery options to help you regain access. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to sign in to AOL Mail. By following these steps, you should have no trouble accessing your emails and staying connected. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for other tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your emails on AOL.